fucking shit going on the highway. Highway 20. Here, I'm gonna give you a view of it all. What's going on here? We got fucking traffic backed up all the way down the fucking highway. People just stopped on the highway. They're redirecting traffic around whatever's going on. There's a helicopter in the middle of the highway on Highway 20 near Upper Lake. Traffic's backing up pretty far it's not too bad. This is fucking crazy. I've never seen a helicopter parked on the highway before. I've been hearing sirens for a while, and I mean that's not too uncommon on the highway here. But when I heard the helicopter, I had to go see what's going on for myself. Oh fuck. Oh dude, this doesn't look good, dude. This looks like a fucking motorcycle accident. There's a helicopter. It looks like there's a fucking body on the other side of the helicopter here. I'm just on the way to the post office. There's a few other people here. They got traffic stopped right over by the dollar store. It looks like they might be redirecting traffic. And then they're redirecting traffic down by the Chevron. There's the helicopter there. And the motorcycle on the ground. There's police and fire rescue everywhere here. I don't know if I'm gonna have to go around the block to get to the post office or what. I'm gonna go around the block and see if I can't get to the post office that way. And then maybe give you an update on my way back from the post office.